Distraction. When interacting with others, whether virtually or in real life, you think you are giving your undivided attention, but with TV creating constant background noise or your phone buzzing every few seconds, there are too many sources of stimulation to focus on at once. Stop and consider how all of your devices might be hindering your ability to focus. It might be helpful to distance yourself from those devices when you have something urgent that needs your full attention. Removing or at least limiting these distractions can be a big help.